Spent weeks using an anti-gray treatment, but still no results? Before you give up, let's talk about why it might not be working for you, and why it actually can for most people. How hair gets its color. Our hair gets its color from melanin, produced by special cells called melanocytes inside our hair follicles. As we age, these melanocytes slow down and eventually stop working, leading to gray or white hair. 3 stages of graying. Here's the catch: the success of anti-gray treatments depends on which stage of graying you're in. Let's break it down. Stage 1. Early stage graying. Melanocytes are still alive but producing less pigment. This stage is the best time to start treatment. Stage 2. Melanocyte dormancy. Melanocytes are inactive but can still be reactivated with the right care and consistency. Stage 3. Melanocyte depletion. At this point, melanocytes are completely gone. No cells left means no melanin to restore. Why your anti-gray treatment isn't working? Here are the top reasons. You're in stage 3, too late for repigmentation. If your hair is fully white, it means the melanocytes are gone for good. Your scalp isn't healthy. Poor circulation, stress, or buildup can block melanin production. You didn't use it long enough. Melanin restoration isn't instant. Give it a couple of weeks to see visible results. Underlying health issues. Vitamin B12 deficiency, thyroid issues, or autoimmune conditions can speed up graying. How to get the best results. Good news! If you're in stage 1 or 2, you can restore your color naturally. Here's how. Massage your scalp daily. Boost blood flow. Eat melanin-boosting foods. Copper, B12, and iron are must-haves. Avoid harsh shampoos. Use gentle, nourishing formulas. Manage stress. Chronic stress damages melanocytes. Stay consistent. Use your treatment religiously for at least 3 months. So, if you're in the early stages of graying, don't wait. Start taking care of your hair now while melanocytes are still there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. And check out the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki's hair products.